Hey boss, Ben here, and today let's do the unboxing of the trophy room. And I was just thinking maybe we should do this in a really raw, uncut type of content, like really nothing fancy, no scripting and everything. I just want to say whatever I want to say, my impressions on the shoes. And it's gonna be uncut from the box until I will open it. And the reason why I'm doing it, it's because I just want to see if it's really worth the hype and everything, the rumors, whatever, backdooring and shit and stuff. Okay, so this is my first time doing this content, and I hope you will bear with me. And yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, this is the box, and like I said, no cuts. I will unbox it, and by the way, apologies if the echo here is really bad. And this is interesting because this is the first time doing this unbox, really spontaneous, and I just want that excitement that I will be wowed by these sneakers. This is the box. So far, I like it. The vintage effect, which is inspired by the Michael Jordan rookie card. I'm impressed. Presentation. This is almost equal to the reimagined Jordan 1, you know, the Chicago colorway. So far, I'm really impressed. Plastic case, which is again inspired by the Michael Jordan rookie card. This all colorway, that is the color palette that they're using here. Not bad, not bad. And I'm sorry, by the way, if sometimes I will be lost for words or vocabulary, because you know my native language is not English. I'm a Filipino, and sometimes if I cannot really describe it properly, just pardon me. Trophy room logo here, signature, also some serial numbers and date. Pretty cool stuff. The sizing, I'm size 8, Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG SP. I'm happy that my box is not destroyed. And let's put it away for now. And this sleeve reminds me of the Amamanier kind of presentation, and also the Travis, the Black Phantoms. I'm seeing now the gold logo here. Wait. Nothing on the back. Nothing on the back. This is the shoes which I'm really interested with. I'm trying to be gentle here because, you know, we don't know. If I don't like it, I'm not gonna be wearing it. I just want to be honest to you guys. I will sell it and get the grails that I want. It is what it is. I'm not reselling, I'm not a reseller, but sometimes you just gotta ride the hype. Am I doing it correct? Opening here, which it's the same. I guess nothing wrong with that. Here it is. Guys, it's beautiful. Not gonna lie, it's beautiful. Trust me. I'm not glorifying, I'm not used to glorifying, sneakers. I say what I want to say. Nothing in there anymore. I will just set aside this. And now we are just left with the sneakers. And wow, first impression, it's wow. I mean, I thought this is an ugly shoes from the pictures. But if you can see here all the details of, the rivets that they're using here, it's so clean. And then the logo of the trophy room. And I'm sorry, but I'm not really a fan of this embroidery swoosh. I don't know, somehow it always kind of associate to, the horse kind of hair. And on the back, the Gold Wings logo, which is, I think, the current theme of Nike at the moment. They've released a lot of Jordan 1 retros with this kind of style. Signature of MJ and the woven fabric at the back, almost like a corduroy. The materials that they're using here, it's like a nubuck, tumbled nubuck. It's a little bit hairy, just a little bit, and it's really soft to touch. and I don't know, it somehow feels so synthetic to me. The same with the Air Max kind of Durabox synthetic leather. But I hope I'm wrong, but I just have this kind of feeling that this is it's made in China. I love the tongue. It's satin and shiny. The same presentation here on the linings. Extra lace, which looks really premium when you just look at it from the outside. It's like wax. This is the yellow insoles, which is again still going back from the colorway here. All these colors that they're using. But as I can remember, oh shit, fuck. Okay, that was the laundry because I'm in the basement. Yeah, nothing I can do. Like I said, this is uncut unboxing. Paper fillers, not the usual shoe 3, the Jordan 1 shoe 3, the cartoon. And there you go. I think it's a, if I would rate it from 1 to 10, it's gonna be a solid 9. My only concern of the shoe really is just this, the type of leather that you're using here on the side panels. It's so it feels like almost like a paper, to be honest. It's really, you know, this kind of just Durabuck kind of feel, but it's much thicker. I don't know what kind of material they're using here, but this is not your typical tumbled leather. And yes, that's it. That's my impression on the shoes. Workmanship is, let's say, they really live up to the hype. And of course the outsoles, which is the usual herringbone pattern, and the overall colorway of the shoes, by the way, is a reverse black toe. So instead of having the black on the mud guards, they put it, they reverse it. What do you think? Is it really worth the resale of this right now? I think if you would ask me, no, since I have a motto here on my channel that never ever I will buy a resale sneakers unless if it's under retail or it's the same. Until now, my plan really is the Amamania Jordan 4. That was my grail, and yeah, I haven't got it because I'm still waiting for a nice price that's probably just over, I would say just $20 above retail, but I think it's not gonna happen. And sad to say that I was not able to get it, but yep, that's it guys, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I don't know if you enjoy it, but it is what it is. This is just, like I said, impromptu unboxing, no scripting, no BS. I'm just saying what I want to say about the sneakers. Still having this midsole vintage looking trend, which I really think it's already dying, but I'm digging it. All right, that's it, and see you next time. Bye.